We finally have the latest top-of-the-line earbuds ni Soundcore. This is the Soundcore Liberty 5 NC. Yes, pricey siya pero pag ganito yung earbuds mo, hindi ka na magpapalit. May LDAC codec na siya for high-resolution audio, but the best is powered na siya ng Dolby 3D audio. Kaya ma-enjoy mo yung high-quality surround sound feature. The mid and high tones are very detailed and may deepness yung thumb ng bass. Plus yung sobrang crisp na treble because of the 9.2mm diaphragms. It has 6 AI microphones with 2 times stronger adaptive ANC. Even sa outdoor calls, sobrang linaw ng boses mo. You can adjust everything through the app like yung ambience mode, EQ presets with the different modes ng Dolby Audio like yung music, podcast, movies, and syempre hindi mawawala yung hearing ID where you can set your preferred audio quality. Ang dami pang additional features like yung gaming mode, find device, wearing detection, and a lot more. Ma-enjoy mo siya gamitin for at least 12 hours and 48 hours naman with the charging case. This is indeed a premium model ng Soundcore. Kaya if gusto mo rin, check out mo sa Hello Basket.